Okay, so this time you're going to identify each word or read each word and identify what type of compound word it is and tell me why do you choose this answer. Okay?
Opo.
Okay, can you read number one and tell me what type of compound word is this?
Okay. Editor-in-chief. It is a hyphenated compound word.
It's a hyphenated. Hyphenated. How do you spell it?
Hyph um ent. I, wait,
Oh, sorry.
hyphenate.
Uh,
It's okay.
okay.
Hyphen n and then a, then ted.
Okay, hyphenated compound word. Now, can you tell teacher Karsten, why do you choose hyphenated compound word for number one?
Because the words have hyphens in the middle of each word.
Because there are hyphens in between words. Very good. Your answer is correct. How about number two? Can you tell me what type of compound word is this?
It is um open compound words.
Open compound word. Just word because it is word. Do not say words, okay? All right. Why do you choose open compound word?
Because it it has it's only one word, but it has a space in between the two words.
Which words?
The FB account,
And the word?
the FB and the account.
Okay, very good. That's right. Okay, thank you so much for that, Karsten. How about number three? What's your answer for number three? Can you read the word first?
It, toothpaste. I pick um close compound words.
Okay. So close compound or closed
Because,
compound word with letter past tense, okay? Okay.
yes.
Yeah. So why do you choose closed compound word?
Because the, there's there are there are two words that are different, but they're combined together, and there's no space or hyphen. That's called closed compound
Oh,
word.
wow, very good. Okay, I think you really remember your the discussion that we had last time. How about number four? Can you read first the word and then tell teacher what type of compound word it is?
It is open compound word.
It is
It is open
sorry,
compound.
open.
It's open compound
Yeah, it's okay.
word.
I can hear you. I'm just you know, I have something to give to my sister. All right. So why compound word? Why open compound word?
Because it has a space in between the two words.
Yeah, very good. Exactly, because there is a space in between two words. Very good. Ay, salamat. Okay, how about number five? Can you read?
Number five is uh, it is um, closed compound word.
Very good. Closed compound word. Wow. Now, why closed compound word?
Because it it is two words that are confused, uh, that
Fused.
are fused
It's okay.
together, and then they make a new word with a completely new meaning.
Wow, very good. So, can you tell me what are the words composed in the word time and timeline? Sorry.
The time and the line.
Very good. That's right. Well, perfect. Great job, Karsten. I think I think you really do understand the type of compound words and what are compound and what compound words are. So, do you have any question?
I don't have any questions.
Yes. Okay. Very good. Thank you so much for that, Carson. You did well on this activity. I think you are ready for your test on the 10th day of our session. Okay.